our second day in Alexandria, we started off with an early morning walk across the bridge to see the palace. Very lovely, very fancy. It is not open to the public. Then we headed over to the public garden. Mostly it is aloes and palm trees, a few flowering plants, but the views from the bridges were very stunning. Love to look at the Mediterranean Sea. We also went this day to the Catacombs. How they were discovered is quite charming. It was not until 1900 that a donkey actually disappeared into the ground, and when they went to look for him, there they found these tombs. They are considered one of the 7 wonders of the Middle Ages. We did take a tour inside the catacombs. Most things have been removed. Mostly it was just holes in the sides of the earth and these deep staircases that went down. It's actually kind of eerie to be down there in the dark, damp earth where people were buried over 300 years back in the 2nd century. Just kind of weird. No photography was allowed in the catacombs, and honestly it was very dark, so I don't know that things would have turned out well anyway. But up above the ground is where they have a surplus, and those things were fun to photograph. Of course, no visit would be complete without going to the Library of Alexandria. It was fantastic, it was grand, and I hope you'll look at the links that I have supplied with my description and take a look at all of the symbolism and all the things that are offered in this fabulous library. It really is a museum, not just a library with all of its collections. You could spend a lot of time there.
Lost his produce, so they're trying to put it back. Oh, you're getting angry now.
You might think they are fighting. Surprised, they are not. They all speak at the same time, so everyone's speaking louder so that they can get the others to listen to
They're
them.
gonna push.
So until you see the fight is by hand, that's when you know they are fighting.
One of my best friends is.
Oh, it broke down too.
This is not going well,
No, it's not going well.
Okay, well.
and it's a brand new bike, but what can it do with 2 tons of fruit or vegetables?
Yeah.
But that's what Egypt is like, to be honest. If someone is in trouble, everyone would help. Even if they don't know this guy, none of them knows him, but everyone will provide the help.
It's wonderful.
We need to take some boxes off. Yes.
No, we'll make it happen.
عشان الميكروباص مفيش مكان وراه. الأجرة ده لازم يمشي، الأجرة ده لازم يمشي. اهو الأجرة يمشي، الأجرة يمشي يا عماد. Did you ever play Tetris? Now you play it by yourself. ايوه ارجع لك بس انا عملت ارجع لك شويه ارجع لك شويه يمين ايوه